Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'll be installing a front lip on my 328. Just picked the front lip up and just started actually working on the bumper and then realized I should have made a video on it. Essentially what you'd want to do to remove your bumper is remove these 5 screws. You take a 8mm. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and then there's the 4th one in the wheel well. And then once you've taken that off, stretch this thing all the way back, and then you will see one of them right up here as well. It's on the bumper. I'll show them once I go back inside with the bumper. Take that off as well. Repeat the same thing on the other side. So the 1, 2. Once you do that, make sure you guys use a T30. Take off all of these. So T30, T25, get all these removed. It's about 8, I believe. Once you've taken that off, you'll have to go underneath the car. There will be 8 of these. Once again with the 8mm. Take all of these 8 off, all underneath the vehicle here. Once that's off, make sure you do disconnect your fog light. Pull that off, and then you'll be able to extract your bumper. You'll be able to just do it from here. So this is what I was referring to earlier, these clips right here. So it's not sticking outside of the bumper panel, and this is the inside, so you just have to put an 8mm with an extension and just bring it down. Once you take it off, bring it inside, wipe the bottom down, and then you can test fit the lip. I just got it on here. Still have to drill the holes because, as you can see here, they're not properly aligned or cut. That's what you get for aftermarket. So I'm gonna drill these holes in here. Got a few of these. Put them on. Then we should be good from there.